Alright, so this is the wheel that turn is on. Batteries is high, connected. It's fast. It's not fast. Okay, let's try again. It's very fast, you can see that. Don't stop. Turn on high as well. And then it's also still on high. I'm accelerating, but it's not very slow. Slower than it usually is. Let's try again. Still high. Still on high mode. You can see. All the way down, all the way up. Half down. Batteries high. Slow. Let's see if we can go fast. It's going fast, you can hear that. Let's stop. Sometimes go slow, sometimes go fast. It's unreliable. I kind of late to class a few times because of this. Because that one time is unreliable. Slow again. It's too slow. It's too slow. Let me change direction. It's too slow. The direction is reverse, right? Too slow. Okay, so you can go fast. It's slower and then you saw. It's not fast. What's changed though? Like, what makes it go fast? Alright.